In this video, we are going to continue with the spheres. Now, the question is how many bullets, each of diameter 1.5 centimeter, can be made by melting a cylinder of lead having a radius of the base 5 centimeter and height 18 centimeter. So, he is talking about a lead cylinder which we can melt and create the lead spheres out of this. So he's saying that the radius of its base is 5 centimeter and the height of this cylinder is 18 centimeters, right? And out of this we have to create the lead bullets, right? We don't know how many number, that's what we have to find. And each is having a diameter of 1.5 centimeters. So that means the radius will be 1.5 divided by 2, which is 15 by 20. 5 3s are 5 4s are. So radius will be 3 by 4 centimeters. And we know that we can calculate the number of bullets made by melting this equal to the volume of this entire thing divided by the volume of one bullet. So let's proceed to find that. Number of bullets that can be made out of melting this cylinder will be volume of this cylinder, because entire volume is used in making these bullets. Volume of cylinder divided by volume of one bullet. Now this bullet is a sphere, right? Because he has given us the radius, so we have to conclude that it is a sphere, which is equal to, now we know that the volume of cylinder is pi r square h divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi and pi will go, this 3 will come up, so we will have 3 r square h divided by 4 and r cube. Be very careful with these transformations when you are transporting these numbers to numerator and denominator. Now we have 3, r is 5, that is 5 into 5, and height is 18 divided by 4 into r cube, that is 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. So those 4s will go in the numerator, right? So now 1 4 and 1 4 will go, 1 3 and 1 3 will go, 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. So finally we are left with 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50 into 16. So 16 5s are 80 and one more 0, that is 800 bullets. So how many bullets are created by melting this? 800 bullets. Next one, same type. How many lead balls, each of radius 1.5 centimeter, can be made by melting a bigger ball of radius 9 centimeter? So this time we have a bigger ball, that is a sphere, whose radius is 9 centimeter, right? We have to melt this and create the smaller balls. We don't know how many. And each of these balls is having the radius as 1.5 centimeters. Now simple, because we know that number of lead balls will be equal to volume of big ball, that is big sphere, divided by volume of one small ball, right? So both of them are spheres this time. So volume of big sphere is 4 by 3 pi, and this capital R cube, because radius is capital, divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 4 by 3 and 4 by 3, pi and pi will go. So we are left with r cube upon r cube. So this is 9 into 9 into 9 divided by, this will be 15 by 20. So 5 3s are 5 4s are. So this will be 15 by 10 only, sorry, this is radius. So 5 3s are and 5 2s are, right? So you can write this as 3 into 3 into 3, and this 2 will go up, 2 into 2. So 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are. So 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So finally you have 27 into 8, which is equal to 216 balls, right?